Welcome to part 3 of the course that is data protection compliance, and in this part we will discuss the data subject. And I would request you to go and please watch the part 1 and 2 of this course in order to get the overview what we will be discussing in this course. And this course is for educational purposes. We are not making this course for any specific organization or institution. This is just to give you the overview of the data protection compliance obligations and requirements. So let's discuss what is personal data. Data is a piece of information that may belong to any individual or customer, and that data might be in the form of identification information, ID card, passport, credit card number, account number, personal addresses, registered addresses, etc. So it varies from country to country what the regulatory authorities define the data, but data in general is considered as the information that belongs to the individual, and from that information the individual might be identified directly or indirectly. So this is just the broader overview of the data, and you can think of how the information can be classified into the critical category, and you can think of being the customer of any organization. What data do you share with the organization? Like when you go to open the bank account, what information is asked from you by the relationship manager? So the information you are providing about yourself is critical information, and that information or data belongs to you, and you have the right that your data would be protected by the organization that is taking from you for any lawful or legitimate purpose. And the lawful and legitimate purpose we have discussed in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, I would request you to go and please watch that video. And please share this video with your colleagues as well who are in the compliance profession, who are in the internal audit, risk management professions, and they want to enhance their skills in the compliance domain, because data protection is a very critical area these days, and there are very lucrative jobs or offers in the market if the person becomes a subject matter in this particular area. We are just discussing from the education point of view, and this course is just an overview of the data protection compliance requirements. And again, this is not for any specific country or organization. So please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that my next uploaded lecture would be received by you timely. So let's move on to the next part of this course. What is data subject? Data subject is a very important concept in the data protection, and the data subject is the individual to whom personal data relates, and that is you being the customer or any stakeholder where the information or data belongs to you. So whenever in this course we will be mentioning data subject, you have to recall this particular concept, that the data subject is the individual to whom the personal data relates. And personal data is any information that belongs to you that is of personal nature, like your full name, your address, your passport number, your identification information, your credit card number, your account number, etc. So we discussed the data subject here in this part 3 of this course, and the data subject.